I am Lolita Cros. I'm an art advisor and art curator, and I am here in the West Village. As an art advisor, I help clients purchase and get familiar with artworks. And my background as an art curator allows me to focus a bit more on the context of the artwork and prioritize the educational part of the job. Art is awe, and it's sublime, and it's important. I found this apartment 8 months ago. It came with a lot of character. So art was a huge part of the design of this apartment. Is what came first, starting with this artwork, which I always knew was going to be on this wall. This is a piece by Leslie Huitt, and the piece is all about personal objects and the narratives you create around them. And the yellow in the piece was what I wanted to highlight. And so I picked this fabric and wanted to create this kind of alcove for it. On the opposite wall, I have a piece by Tyler Mitchell, and I always loved the melancholy that comes with his work. This is probably my favorite spot in the apartment. In the morning, I like to sit here with the windows wide open. The sun shines right through here, and I love it. I didn't change anything in the kitchen because I kind of loved it. I loved the country house feeling of it, and it really leaned into it. I have a fridge full of personal notes on it. I have two works by Judy Chicago where she had created all these plates in honor of a mythical or a historical female figure, and I like that it's kind of my feminist corner, and I like that it's also about building community because they're actual plates that I hung on the wall. Behind the sink I have a small little artwork, which is the first piece I ever bought, and then my kitchen towel is actually the photo of an artwork, and it's really beautiful. The bedroom is a little powder room. The piece I had in mind for that was a work by Madeline Hollander, which hangs above my bed. So this artwork is all about the lights of the city, and I wanted to have that in conversation with the neon sign that hangs in front of my apartment, so it feels like I'm in symbiosis with the city. Across from it, I have this work by Lorraine O'Grady. It's kind of like family oriented and felt like having some kind of a family photo in my bedroom. This is Cash. He is from the South, so I give him a Southern name. It took me months to find a bedside table that could fit both mine and his bed so that he had the perfect little nook. Now that I've shown you guys my apartment, let's go take a look at a few galleries. To me, a really good artwork is as good as a really good conversation, which is needed. It's food for your brain, it's food for your thoughts, it's food for what you will put out into the world because your brain is full of interesting topics.
I hope you were as inspired as I was, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing what I do and where I live. Bye.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.